Hey everyone, it's Storm Tracking HQ here with another video. We have a severe thunderstorm watch video to do, so let's do this. Severe thunderstorm watch number 435 or 535 has been issued for parts of Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Wyoming until 11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Your hazards are couple tornadoes possible, scattered hail up to tennis ball size possible, scattered gusts up to 70 mph possible. Your population's about 304 thousand, 245 schools, and 21 hospitals. Now let's go to your towns. Billing, Montana. Mild City, Montana. Glendive, Montana, Spearfish, South Dakota, and Shernon, Wyoming. If you are in this watch, severe weather is, I want to say, probably developed, but I believe it's already developed, but could be in the process of developing. So if you are in this watch, make sure you listen for follow-up statements and warnings from your local NWS office. And yeah. This is Storm Tracking HQ signing out. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.